You'll want to have your video conference up and running and your teacher dashboard open in a second, separate window before students join. Begin class when you're ready. Remind students that they will need to have two windows open on their device, one to participate in the video conference and a separate window or tab open to respond to the interactive questions. For more information on helping students get started, see the video, Get Set Up for Success. When you navigate to a new slide, everyone's slide will stay in sync. Use the forward and backwards arrows to navigate through your lesson. When you move to an interactive slide, students will be prompted to respond. After students respond to one of your interactive questions, it's time to share the answers with the group so everyone can see different approaches and ideas. You can display student responses anonymously on the projector view by clicking Show Responses. On your teacher dashboard, as you see great examples or misconceptions, go ahead and star those. When it's time to show the responses, only the starred answers will appear on the projector view. Now you can discuss these specific responses with the class. To show all the responses, click Clear Stars. Once you've gone through a few slides, you might notice that students keep changing their answers after you've clicked Show Responses. That can be distracting. To keep students from changing their answers, you can click the Lock Screens button on your toolbar and student screens will instantly go dark. To unlock, just click the button again. Quick tip, the Lock Screens button also functions as a timer. Hold the button to see three options, 30 seconds, 1 minute, and 3 minutes, and start the countdown. When time is up, student screens will lock automatically. Use the timer when you want to be sure that you've given reasonable notice for students to process and finish their answers. If you see an inappropriate answer, you can hide it. Just click the three dots below the answer and click Hide before projecting responses. The student will not be notified that their answer has been hidden and will be able to contribute as normal. To ask an additional question on the fly, click Choose a Prompt. Then select any prompt from our array of pre-made options. Here's an advanced tip for conducting online learning. Join the session yourself as a student in another tab and fill out the slides with the correct answers. You can then share your responses on the screen to show the answer you were looking for. Or send takeaways with the correct responses for students to reference as they study.